Every cookie begins long before the first oven is lit. Precision starts at the door, where raw materials enter the system. Nothing moves forward without meeting strict quality standards.
Every batch is approved by data, not guesswork.
With ingredients secured, the real production begins.
Accuracy here defines every cookie that follows.
Wet and dry meet inside sealed steel. Time and motion create structure.
Texture is tuned, not rushed.
Safety checks protect every batch. Now the dough moves toward its final shape.
Sheets of dough begin to take uniform shape.
Individual cookies emerge, uniform yet natural.
Careful spacing prevents collision during baking.
Robotic arms place each cookie with exact precision, every chip and curve accounted for. Trays move toward baking, where dough transforms into cookie.
Audio features the consistent rhythm of machinery, specifically rhythmic with movement of a conveyor belt.
The journey from dough to cookie begins as heat embraces each piece.
Midway through, the cookie begins its signature rise and golden hue.
Heat sculpts color and texture, crisping edges while softening centers.
Baking is complete, yet heat's journey continues to refine texture.
Cooling ensures perfect texture before the next step of flavor finishing.
Controlled airflow gently reduces heat, stabilizing shape and texture.
Air currents lock in color and crisp the edges, while keeping centers tender. A moment of rest perfects structure and texture before flavor finishing.
Cooling locks in shape, ensuring consistency across every batch.
Final cooling perfects the cookie's texture before it meets packaging. Uniformity and alignment set the stage for the final inspection.
Each cookie is carefully positioned to meet the flowing chocolate.
Molten chocolate flows gracefully over the top, coating the cookie while keeping the chips visible.
Cooling solidifies the top chocolate layer while maintaining chip texture and dome shape.
Each cookie is checked to ensure the chocolate top layer is perfect, with chips clearly visible.
Every cookie is first inspected visually to ensure top layer chocolate and chips meet quality standards.
Automated scanners verify chocolate coverage, chip visibility, and dome consistency.
Sorting ensures only cookies meeting visual and chocolate standards proceed.
Hands-on checks complement automated systems to catch any imperfections.
Final inspections confirm cookies are ready for packaging and shipment.
Any cookies with imperfections are corrected to maintain consistent quality standards.
Approved cookies, perfectly coated and chip intact, proceed to packaging.
Finished biscuits are organized into precise groups for wrapping. Each biscuit is spaced precisely to preserve its shape and chocolate finish. 3 chocolate-topped chip cookies are sealed together in a signature chocolate brown packet. Each box receives a perfectly aligned 3-biscuit pack. Shrink wrapping secures every box for safe handling.
Orders are prepared and loaded for nationwide delivery.
And this is how modern factories produce chocolate chip biscuits from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.